Done, ma'am.
Okay. Vidyasagar is there? Vidyasagar.
Ma'am,
See, in
ma'am, the
third,
correct.
yes,
Ma'am, we should have fixed the sixth one, ma'am. Ma'am, the second option is correct, ma'am.
let me say the answer first. Okay. See, this side, when you fold the paper, it will join or make the leaf, right? Okay. Now, what you have seen, there are the two lines. Here also two lines. So what happened when we join the two lines? This line will go downward towards the downward direction. So which option is going downward, Vidyasagar?
Second.
Second, it is up direction. See, only one option is
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
fourth
Ma'am,
one.
fourth one. Fourth.
Yes, option
Fourth
fourth is the
one.
correct answer. Okay. Now, Dheeraj,
Ma'am, can I answer fourth?
wait, Chirant, I'll give you the next one. Dheeraj,
Ma'am, can I?
wait, Dheeraj.
Ma'am, can I?
Dheeraj, your name is only Dheeraj.
Ma'am,
What is the answer for
ma'am,
fourth?
method. Yes,
Sorry?
ma'am.
What is the answer for fourth one?
Ma'am,
A1, first.
A1.
Yeah, correct. First, first is the answer. Wait. Now, everyone solve question number 5 and 6. Then I'll ask you people. Okay, I'll give everyone chance. Solve first 5 and 6 only. Question number 5 and 6 you have to solve. Sorry?
Ma'am, I asked fifth and sixth we should solve.
Question number 5 and 6.
That only I asked. Ma'am, over.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Atharva, done?
Now we have to do fifth and sixth.
Yes, fifth and sixth question. Atharva,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done question number 5 and 6.
One, ma'am.
Ma'am, over.
Finished, ma'am.
Dishani, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm doing sixth
Okay.
month.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I say the answer?
Wait, Atharva? Atharva,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the
Yes, ma'am.
correct answer for the fifth one?
Ma'am, D1.
Ma'am, can
B1, no.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, I asked him right. Atharva,
Ma'am,
wait.
can I answer?
If anyone will tell me now, can I
Yes, ma'am.
I will not give them chance, okay? Atharva, how B1? This is cross sign. And in A1,
Ma'am, not B1, ma'am, D1.
how D1 also? See,
Ma'am, no, sorry, ma'am. A1, A1. No.
yes, A1, right? A is the correct answer.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Dishani, you have done the sixth one.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Do fast and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I'm taking options. Ma'am, shall I tell?
No.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
No.
Ma'am, answer is first one, ma'am.
First one, correct. Answer is first one only. Now everyone do 7 and 7, 8 and 9. Yeah. All three. 7, 8, 9. Dheeraj, do question number 7, 8 and 9.
Ma'am, sixth one answer.
Sixth one answer is first one only.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my book will be over soon. Ma'am, I am going to take a new book.
Now you're going from home only, right?
No, ma'am, it's in my home.
Yeah, yeah. Then take fast.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Finished, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Still Atharva, Dishani, Pranita, Dheeraj is writing. Right first. Diksha,
Done, ma'am.
Diksha, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, I have done, but I'm drawing the boxes for next questions, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Dishani and Dheeraj, what about you?
Ma'am, ninth question.
Okay, do fast. Diksha?